This is a Vornado fan Model B38C1-1. I believe this model is from the early to mid 1950s, but I'm not sure. The finish is all original, and it looks like the blade is about a 10-inch. We're going to turn it and show you the side of it really fast. And you can see it's got the green housing and the gray air intake duct and motor. We'll show you the back. And yeah, it's a pretty mean looking set of intake on it. We'll turn this back around to the front and give a run through of the speeds. So this is high. And medium. Pretty big step down between the speeds. And low is really quiet. Now we'll bring it back up to high and show you spin down. And off. It does need a bit of work. The motor does need oil and all that. But it's otherwise, you know, a new cord and cleaning out the bearings on the motor will be pretty well good as new. If anybody knows exactly when this fan was made, please feel free to comment, because we are looking for information on it. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks.